stood in the street, smiling from my head to her feet. I said, hey, what's these days now, baby? Maybe she's in need of a kiss. I said, hey, what's her name, baby? Maybe we can see you the same. Now don't you wait or hesitate. Let's move before the razor get ready. All right now, baby, it's not all right now. All right now, baby, it's not all right now. I took her home to my place, watching every move on her face. And she said, look, once again, baby, I hear you trying to pull me easy. All right now, baby, it's all right now. 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 Settle now.
Si t'ha agradat el vídeo que acabes de veure, subscriu-te ja al canal de YouTube de Family Duo. I si no, torna a la veure que no l'has vist bé.